Hi, I'm Sahana, founder of Samuka. Welcome you over here. This is a very first YouTube video, and I welcome you with all excitement. This is my first time doing something like this. Don't have a script with me, and I also didn't want a script because I want to keep it as raw and unfiltered as the process is. So let's begin. Basically, I'm a huge fan of crafts and textiles of India, and Samuka is a love letter to all those crafts and textiles. And I want each one of you to read that love letter. For now, the letter is being written by me, but someday I want Samuka to go beyond me and reach each one of you. To begin with, I was born in a very conservative Indian family, like very typical, and fashion designing was not something in the charts. It was very far from me even finding that something like this existed, but I had to fall in love, so all of this worked out like this. Fascination with clothes was always there, so much so that when I used to go to shops, the shopkeeper used to say that, oh, she knows what she wants, or she has a choice of her own. And that was from when I was very little. I knew that clothes made me happy, not just because I was shopping something new. There was a kind of bond with them, which I didn't find with any other thing. Fine day, I stumbled upon a show which was basically a reality TV about designers. It was called Crafts Council or Cotton Councils of India. Basically, it was a reality show about designers, like we have the runway. That introduced me to this whole world of fashion designing, like the concept, like there is a job for making clothes, and there is so much into designing a single piece of garment. And so surprising for me to see that there was a full-time job for making clothes, and there was a full-time course that was being taught in colleges for fashion. And I was very ignorant at that time, and I thought there was either medical or engineering. Again, that comes from the environment we were put in. Like even today, fashion designing is not as encouraged as other fields, but that is a separate video. But then the whole family aspect came into picture, and explaining them that there is a job for called as fashion designers, and you can study that, you can have a real time job. And that was very difficult. Remember, like I was so frightened to tell that to my father. Like I knew about this course about fashion designing since 8th standard. I knew that I wanted to become a fashion designer, and um, from 8th standard, but I didn't tell that to my parents till I was in my 12th. And that too is very funny. That too I told, because that time we were all like we have to give IIT, and we were preparing for all of that, and we were uh, put into coaching classes. So like I had gone through 3 months of coaching for IIT, paid certain amount. The dream of going into a fashion college was like slipping out of my hands, and like I was so scared to confront that to my parents. And so I delayed it so much, but then after like 3 months into that coaching class, I finally came and told want to do this, and I don't want to pursue what everyone else is doing. So that was a big shock for my family. They were also confused because they also didn't know about this much, and had a quite negative perception about fashion. And like the most stubborn children are born to the most strict parents, so I was also like that. I was very adamant on doing this, and I told no, I don't want anything else. I just want to do fashion designing. This is what I love, and I kept on insisting on that. There was you whole lot of drama. Like there was like obviously what happens in Indian family, they will tell that what will we tell others what you are studying, or what others will perceive of your career. All those questions, all those ridiculous questions. But if my parents were being ridiculous, I am their child only, so I was even more adamant on that, and there was no choice left to them, and they gave in. but this is not an happy ending. I guess the video is already becoming very long. We will continue this in the second part. Please do tell me how you like it, and please subscribe and follow us. Follow us on YouTube, follow us on Instagram.